When you look at President Obama's first term, he never had a trust problem. That's sort of cornerstone of the way Obama's been viewed throughout at least the first term of his presidency has been that even when his job approval numbers are declining, even when people don't like his policies or the job he's doing, he's always been personally more popular than his job approval numbers might suggest. In the Quinnipiac poll that was released this week, we saw that he's actually underwater, with more Americans saying, more voters at least, saying that he's not trustworthy, not honest. Right now, the biggest flashpoint is all of the various glitches that are related to the rollout of Obamacare. Beyond the glitches, the biggest thing that I think sticks out in people's mind is Obama's long-standing vow and promise that nobody will have to give up their insurance plans as a result of the implementation of Obamacare.
I am sorry that they are finding themselves in this situation based on assurances they got from me.
So this is a pretty dramatic turnabout from the Obama that we saw in the first term to what we're seeing now in the first year of his second term.